This is why zebras are the coolest creatures on the savannah. Y'all ready for some zebra fun facts? First off, zebras aren't just horses in fancy pajamas. Those stripes, they're like fingerprints, unique to each one. And get this, their stripes help keep pesky bugs away. Zebras love to hang out in groups called herds or dazzles. Makes sense, because they're pretty dazzling, right? And did y'all know? Zebras can run up to 65 kilometers per hour. That's like a car zooming down your street. So next time you think of zebras, remember they're more than just stripes. They're speedy, stylish, and truly one of a kind. Thanks for watching, and keep on dazzling.